In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Proforma invoice in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust your invoice template so that it shows Proforma invoice instead of a standard invoice title, all using Zoho's built-in settings. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Zoho Books website at books.zoho.com, then log into your Zoho Books account. Make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one, because the template settings you're about to change apply to the specific organization you have selected. Once you're in your Zoho Books dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings menu. Go ahead and click this gear icon. This area is where you control most of your account configuration, including templates, taxes, users, and more. After the settings page opens, you'll see a list or a menu of different configuration options. Instead of scrolling through everything, use the search box within the settings area and type PDF templates. Zoho Books will filter the options and show you the section that controls how your invoices and other documents are formatted when you export or send them as PDFs. Click on the PDF templates option. You should now see a list of the templates available for different transaction types, such as invoices, estimates, and so on. Locate the template that you currently use for your invoices. This is usually marked as the default invoice template, but if you have several, choose the one you send to customers most often. On the right side of that template, you'll find an edit option. Click Edit to open the template editor. This is where you can customize the look and content of your invoice documents without affecting your actual financial data. Inside the template editor, look for a section or tab labeled Transaction Details. Click on Transaction Details. This area lets you control how the transaction-related elements are displayed, such as dates, numbers, and certain labels that appear on the document. Next, move over to the section called Document Details. Click on Document Details to open up more options about the heading and identity of the document itself. This is where Zoho Books defines what your customers will see at the top of the page, like invoice, estimate, or other document types. Within document details, look for the field labeled document title. By default, this will usually say invoice. Click into this field and change the text to Proforma Invoice. Take a moment to double check the spelling and capitalization so it looks professional and consistent with the rest of your branding. Once you've updated the document title, save your changes in the template editor. After saving, this template will now display Proforma Invoice as the main title on the PDF whenever it is used. From this point on, you can create an invoice in Zoho Books just like you normally would. Go to your invoices section, create a new invoice for your customer, and make sure this updated template is selected. When you preview or download the PDF, the document will appear as a Proforma invoice, while still behaving like a regular invoice inside Zoho Books. That's all you need to do. You've successfully configured your Zoho Books invoice template to function as a Proforma invoice using the built-in PDF template settings.